Welcome to a new era of effortless marketing with Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. Today, we'll show you how Microsoft's AI-powered Copilot makes segment creation as easy as typing a sentence. No more complex filters, just simple, natural language. Let's dive in and see how you can transform your marketing with the power of AI. Here we have Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. To create a new segment, click on the plus New Segment button. The New Segment form appears, but we don't have Quick Assist to give prompt. Let's enable Copilot for this module. Navigate to Settings. Next, click on Feature Switches in the navigation bar. On the Feature Switches page, ensure that important features like Global Opt-in Consent are enabled by toggling them on in Copilot section. Wait for the Saving Your Changes message followed by a Save Success confirmation. Click OK to confirm and return to the main navigation. Navigate back to Real-Time Journeys, Segments in the left navigation bar. You're back on the All Segments page. Click plus New Segment to start creating your segment. The New Segment form appears again. Query Assist has been visible now. Here we enter a descriptive name for our segment. Contact more than $50,000. Naming your segment clearly helps with future management and reporting. Next, we use the AI-powered Query Assist box to define our segment criteria. We type contacts who were created last year and make more than $50,000. Click the Create button to generate the segment based on the criteria provided. The Segment Details page opens, showing the applied filters. Here we see that the group uses annual income as more than $50,000, as specified. We click Ready to Use to save and activate the segment. The system processes the segment, and after a short wait, the status updates to Ready to Use. Returning to the All Segments page, we see our new segment, Contact more than $50,000. And that's how easy it is to create high-value customer segments using AI in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. With Copilot, you can move from idea to execution in minutes, saving time, boosting precision, and making your campaigns more effective than ever. Ready to transform your marketing? Contact Hitachi Solutions today for a personalized demo and discover how AI can elevate your customer insights and journeys. Thank you for watching. Start your journey to smarter marketing now.